Hello Roosty Kitchen fans, today I'm going to be showing you how to make whipped coffee. This is going to be my absolute favorite out of all the videos I have made because I am so excited to make this whipped coffee and to have it for breakfast. So the ingredients you're going to need are sugar, coffee, hot water, milk, and ice block. And it's very simple to make. So first we're just going to add 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of coffee, 1, so I've added 2 tablespoons of coffee. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1. You can use both brown sugar and white sugar. 2 tablespoons of water, hot water, 1 and 2. Now we just whisk it until it becomes very fluffy. So now I'm going to start. Light and creamy. That's when you know your whipped coffee is ready. Now let's go serve it. When it becomes light and creamy, if you didn't hear, that's when you know it's ready to eat. Now we're going to garnish it by adding some sprinkles and a strawberry. Now I'm going to enjoy this. But before we end the video, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the notification button to always stay tuned to my channel. Bye!